Alright, on to the fun stuff. Now we're going to be creating a menu, especially for any of you who run a food business and so on and so forth. This video is just for you. So let's go ahead and get started. When you're in the back end of your site, go ahead and click the menu tab. And next, you're going to hit the add new button. Right, so when you have your listing, you're going to see the name of your business here, but in this case, we're going to use this one here from the listing that I've been using from the previous two videos here. Next, you're going to want to add a food. So actually, I'm going to run with a business that I am already familiar with here. It is a real business actually here. I'm running with 27th Street Bakery, and I'm going to hit menu. So you already saw the one earlier where I had a large sweet potato pie. So let's go ahead and hit cakes, right? Let's hit the red velvet one, right? Let's go ahead and hit red velvet, and then I hit this blue button here. Alright, and now we have our red velvet item. Next, you want to click all groups. Make sure, and this groups here, this will help you categorize what types of products, whether like if you have food, you have drinks, this is lunch, dinner, sandwiches, or breakfast. So at least in this case here, I have my two groups, one for pies, one for cakes. So next, now that we're editing the red velvet cake here, we're going to select the group. We're going to put this under cake, and then this menu will appear. Reinsert the name of your product, and actually I'm going to say slice. I believe that's a slice. Oh no, that's a whole cake. Whoops. Oh, whole cake, and it is priced at $38.98. Alright, and then we're going to just say delicious red velvet homemade cake. Alright, and so you can put an external menu item URL if you want to. If you want to just say visit menu item, and of course put the link to the where you want to send the traffic to. So in this case, you want to just hit the menu. You can usually right click and hit menu, and boom, there we go. If you want to make this a popular item, if you want, that's perfectly fine. And then actually I will not make it a popular item because I've already made the large sweet potato pie one the popular item, so I'll show that later in this tutorial video. And then of course, if you want to add a picture, I definitely highly recommend that you do. Let me go ahead and find a picture of one. Alright, and now I will add my photo of my listing here. Go ahead and click this browse button. And then here you're going to see the images of anything that you may have added previously. I have a picture already on my desktop, so I'm just going to click and drag this over into this here. Alright, then we have my red velvet cake. You're welcome to put an alt text there if you like. You can put that here if you want to, for the sake of SEO reasons, and of course this will be friendly to anyone who may be blind, and then because that way their computer will read the text just like that. Alright, velvet cake. There we go. And you just hit select. Then your image will appear here. And that's pretty much it. You just want to go up and review anything that we have. That's pretty much it. And so hit add menu item when you are finished. Alright, and you are now done. It'll show a green check mark next to your item. Now let's go head over to our listing. So let's go ahead and click this. Alright, and so there we go. We have our large sweet potato pie listing here, and then we hit the arrow, and then have your red velvet cake along with your menu button. Let's go ahead and make sure this works, and it does, and it takes you straight to your menu along with all the other items that they have here. And that is pretty much it. And so that way you can, of course, I do recommend, keeping your use images, especially when you're using food, because the images mostly sell them themselves. And of course, you're welcome to add this here just in case you hadn't uploaded an image to your listing already. And that is pretty much it on creating your menu. Feel free to add all the menu items that you like to your listing. And of course, we do encourage you to send people to your, of course, social media accounts as well as your website for further information. That's it for creating a menu on the Guaplist site, and I'm looking forward to seeing all the food restaurants with their listings of all the food they have to offer in exchange for Guap coin.